Hi, good morning class. This is our last practical, practical number 6. Before moving further, I hope you have learned the calculation and how to take readings. This is our last practical for titration, and after this practical, we will start inorganic. Let's move for practical number 6. A. Determination of concentration, strength of X molar hydrochloric acid by titrating it against a standard solution of 0.1 molar NaOH. You have to write like this in same format as I have written on the board. Apparatus, burette, burette stand, pipette, Konica flask, funnel. Solutions. In burette we have X molar hydrochloric acid. In flask as well as pipette 10 ml 0.1 molar NaOH. Indicator. You have to remember, if burette solution is acid, we will use methyl orange. Color change yellow to pinkish red. Equation. What we are using? NaOH and HCl. So we have to write NaOH plus HCl. Product NaOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O. Sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride, and last water. Let's move for observation table. Before going observation table, let's take the readings. Let's take the readings. Here we have in 250 ml beaker X molar hydrochloric acid and 100 ml beaker 0.1 molar NaOH. So first of all, we have to fill up the burette with acid. First of all, in burette, we have to remove air first. Remove air here. Then set 0. Then remove the funnel and set 0. Let's take 10 ml NaOH. Dear students, in your board exam in school, you have to compulsory use pipette. Pour into Konica flask. In your board exam, for titration practical, teachers will give you burette stand, 2 types of beaker, Konica flask, and pipettes only. No other apparatus they will give you. So here we have acid in the burette, so we have to add methyl orange 2 drops. You can see here yellow color. Let's titrate. You have to add the solution drop by drop from the burette. See the color change? Pinkish 0 and take reading. So again set 0. This is the another way to take readings. Again set 0. For Infonica class. Remember one thing, never add last drop of any kind of solution from the pipette. 2 drops. You can see here the changes. After adding methyl orange, this is the color, and after titrating, this is the color. So you can see the changes. What is the color? This is yellow color and this pinkish red. See the color difference? Let's titrate again. Color change. Let's note down the reading. Again 10.8. Now move for third reading. For Infonica class. I forgot to set 0. Let me set 0. Add 2 drops of methyl orange. Before moving further, remember this, I again set 0. This is the third time I set 0. See, pinkish red. Our third reading is 11. Now again we have to set 0. Two drops of methyl orange. I have already set 0. Let's titrate again. You can see here color changes. We have again 10.8. So here we have taken observation table, calculation 1 and calculation 2. You have to calculate. This is the task for you students. I have given you 4 readings. These 4 readings, after this you have to make observation table, then calculation 1 and 2, then last result. What is the result? Concentration strength of X molar HCl. What is the strength of HCl? You have to show me. So this is your task. I have given you 4 readings. You have to calculate all the calculation and show me. Calculate this all readings. Then observation table and then calculate. And last you have to write result and show me. Okay students? Here we have completed the titration. Titrimetric analysis we have here completed. In next video